because we allocated everything, it's no longer qualified. So this is now star. This is now star. Sorry, already that is star by implication because it has two numbers. This is now star. This is now star. And anyone that you look as if we have selected becomes star. And every star here repeats itself. So if you come to the second side, now what is the smallest? We still have what? 18. Sorry, not smallest. That is least cost. Sorry, we'll continue again. A, we cannot do anything because everything has been taken. It has been chosen. So we'll just give it star. The second part, now when I mean it has been chosen, like everything has become 0 in that row or column. If it's not 0, even if it's chosen, we can still put numbers. We will not put star like that. So the second part, we have 19, 18, 24, and 20, right? So if we check, the smallest and second to the smallest is still 19 and 18, which is still 1. This part 2 is still 24, 25, which is still 1. This part is now this side has been taken, so we cannot use it. So it's 24 minus 19 now, which is still 5, which is 5 now. This part 2 will be taken, so but we still have two numbers. And remember, this penalty table works with two numbers. It's when it's lesser than that you cannot. You just star it by nature. 25 minus 18 is 7. This place 28 minus 24 is 4. 25 minus 20 is 5. So the highest obviously is what 7. We select it, and this is not y. So this is y. Y is the smallest in both of them, 18. So we'll put it 20, and here it becomes 0. Where do we take it from? Remember, it must rhyme with its row and its column. We took it from 60, so here it becomes left 40 because we took 20 here. So we're through here. We come to the third allocation. If you take your time to look again, the smallest and second to the smallest in B is still 19. Okay, it's 20 and 19 now, which is still 1. I remember what I say, all star repeats itself, because what has finished has finished. This star came because of finishing, but not all stars are like that. But when you see star coming out from something, either because of finishing or it cannot be chosen, which in each case cannot be chosen, cannot be chosen. If it has finished, it has finished. All stars like this repeat itself. So if even without trying to check whether it is many repeat, yes, 1. This third side, we already used. Okay, yes, already 0, right? Yes, 0. So this 25 has gone. But if we check, there's still another 25. So 25 minus 24 is what? 1. So we still have 1. We still have 1. Then if we check the others, then if we check, which means 1924, we still have 5. B. Now B we have okay, we have 40. Sorry, Y. We cannot choose Y. Everything is already what 0. So which means it becomes star by nature, just like how A became star. A became star by nature because it became 0. Remember, right? And then we repeat. So which means this one, if we want to do again, to repeat too. And this A will still repeat again for us, still what doing. We come to the next one. If you check it, we still have 2428, right, which is 4, and 2520, which is what 5. So if we check, now we have X and Z, right, X and Z, which have the same highest numbers. So if we check both of them, yes, we have 21, 19, 24. Z we have 22, 20, 25. The smallest is obviously B, it's obviously in X, which is what 19. So we are choosing what X instead, not Z. So we put it here as X. Where does sir? Fine, sir. We put it here as what X. So when we are through, we come to this place, and here becomes we are located. They have 40 left, but we are located, but they need 50. So we allocate the whole 40. B automatically has become 0. Here does become because we have moved everything. And if we remove that 40 from here, we have how many left? 10. So let's check the next one, right? I'm just talking. Remember, all star repeats itself, so A is still star. Now B has what does become finished because we allocated the 40, and it has become finished. It becomes star by nature, right? B is star. C, well, we still have 24 and we still have 25 here. So 25, 24 is 1. But if you check the other ones, now we have X, Y, W, Z. And I say we need two numbers to work, but this is selected, this is star, meaning both of them cannot work. What happened in this X column is only 1. If we have only one, this thing, it is star by nature because it must be two numbers. So here it becomes star. If you check here too, it's only one number. Yes, if we don't even have Y is already star. The star repeats itself because it's finished, right? This side now. Oh, remember we have finished the whole 40, so which means yes, useless. Yes, because we have finished what this whole 40. So this side cannot be chosen, which means we have only one number. We have only one number, which means both of them star because they are useless by nature. Which means from here we can stop after here because remember stars repeat themselves, meaning we still have one. So let's just allocate what C here. What is C? The remaining ones that are not what touched by star. So if we check, we have 24, 28, 25. The smallest is what 24, and 24 needs 10. We have 50 left. So remove 10 from here, it becomes what 40. We put it here. If we remove now the next in 28, 25, the smallest is 25. If you remember what I say, remember when we cannot use the penalty table again, we go to normal least cost method. because a modification of least cost method. So if we do here remain what 30. I'll put 10 in this smallest. Here is 0, and this 30 becomes 0, and here is also what 30. So here is what 0. Now if you notice, this is the same thing here, the same way we're allocating least cost. You can see it in front, least cost, right? The same allocation, the same thing with Vogel approximation. So which means it's exactly the same time since exactly the same answer. So you can just put TC equals to, look at the answer and do 3350. But take note that not all cases that the answer have to be the same. Sometimes you can even browse this, check your AIs, whatever. Sometimes the Vogel approximation and the least cost method may differ. So I hope this helps.